pleasure to be here on this platform. Myself, Viki Thakkar, I design salons, spas, academies for this industry. It's been a long journey, but the way in which the haircuts are explained in such kind of expos, different hairstyles are explained. So same way, it is very rare that an architect or someone like me can come and explain what are the new trends, how are green salons built. So today it was a very interesting session wherein I could share a lot of facts about how to build green salons, how to make eco-friendly salons. And previously in September also it was a great opportunity that I could share my views in Mumbai as well. Today in Delhi also it was a very interesting session, and I don't think that no one except the Salon Management Congress, no one has ever taken an opportunity to bring so many versatile salon owners, designers and different people from this industry on a single platform, on a single day, so that a salon owner can be an audience and learn so many things about different aspects of salon management. So it was really fantastic, and thanks to Ritu and our entire team, has been very, very nice to me. Starting from the airport till here, I mean, they have been constantly in touch with us, and it was fantastic.